What is AB 2016? Assembly Bill 2016, effective April 1st, 2025, is designed to simplify estate administrations in California. Simply, it increases the threshold for small estate affidavits, allowing estates with a primary residence valued at $750,000 or less to bypass full probate. This change could significantly speed up and simplify the estate transfer process for many families, especially those with smaller estates. Here are the key changes under AB 2016. Increased threshold for small estates. The primary change in AB 2016 is raising the threshold for small estate eligibility to $750,000. Previously, estates needed to be valued below as little as $166,250 to qualify for a simplified process. Now, estates with a primary residence valued at or below $750,000 can transfer ownership without going through full-blown probate, saving time and money. Focus is on primary residences. The law specifically addresses primary residences, meaning only the value of a decedent's primary home is considered in the $750,000 threshold. Other real estate, like a vacation home or rental properties, is going to be excluded from the simplified process and will still require full probate if the value exceeds the old limit of $184,500. Filing and notification requirements. New filing rules require that within 40 days of a decedent's death, the successor must file a petition in the local court to transfer the primary residence. They must also notify all heirs and interested party within 5 days of filing that. This transparency helps prevent disputes and ensure the process is fair. Is AB 2016 beneficial? AB 2016 offers a faster, less costly way for families to transfer property, especially when the primary asset is the home. This change is especially helpful for middle-class families who may not have avoided probate under the old laws, as the new law applies to a wider range of assets and more valuable assets. By bypassing probate, families can more quickly gain ownership of the decedent's property without the burden or expense of lengthy court proceedings. AB 2016 simplifies the estate transfer process for many California families, allowing smaller estates with primary residences under $750,000 to avoid the lengthy and time-consuming probate process. But understanding the nuances of the new law and complying with its filing and notification requirements is key to ensuring the process goes smoothly. At RMO, we protect people like you every day. Contact us today to see how we might be able to help.